In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to borrow money from Barclays. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on all of the ways in which you will be able to borrow money directly from Barclays. So, Barclays offers several ways to borrow money, and the best option for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. So, in order to find all of these options, I recommend visiting the website. You can do this through the mobile app. However, I believe that the website has more information available and it will be able to answer all of your questions. In here on barclays.co.uk, go over to borrowing and you will see all of the ways in which you can borrow money. If you already know the specific need for you, then just click on it. For example, mortgages, car loans, and so on. If you are unsure, go over to ways to borrow. In here, they will have a comprehensive guide and things that you need to know. So they present four main questions. What do I need the money for? How much do I need to borrow? When do I need it? And how will I pay it back? Depending on these options, you will be able to consider one of these services here. You can scroll down and they have a chart that allows you to compare the differences between all of these. So some of them are better suited for long term, others are better suited for short term, some of them will have early repayment fees and so on. So whenever you find the one that suits you the most, go ahead and click on the calculator. In here, you will be able to see the rates, so you can customize according to your needs. For example, the amount, the term, so how many months you wish to repay this on. And once you have everything set up, you just have to scroll all the way down and you will find the application process. You may be eligible. You can see if you've been pre-selected to apply for a loan. So if you meet these requirements here, it is very likely that you will be eligible for the loan. Just click check now and sign in with your account. You can either use your membership number, card number, or sort code and account number. Sadly, for this video, I cannot show you this process in full because it contains a lot of sensitive information. But after you go through with the sign in here and you check, they will present you with the options available for your account and if there's any way to proceed if you are eligible. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow money from Barclays. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.